What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. We got Josh coming in the morning to work on the Evo. I believe Kyle, Patrick, and a few others are coming over tomorrow as well to help him work on his car, get that finished so we can get that out of here. Hopefully get the Benz and the RX-7 over here. Because Alex took a new job, so he is going to be moving closer to me, hopefully within the near future. So we're gonna get the RX-7 here. As for the Subaru, I got new fenders for it, driver and passenger side, that are nearly mint condition, already in World Rally Blue, but they'll probably still get painted. Got another one up there. So I'm gonna sell the silver ones along with the silver hood. I still gotta find a STI hood, but got the new bumper. I'm gonna do some work on that tomorrow. And got the old back bumper. I'm gonna get that probably put up in the rafters or put down in the basement probably. So I'll check back in the morning when Josh gets here. So.
All right.
So Josh and Kyle have been here pretty much all day. I've been pretty busy with family events and whatnot, so I haven't been doing too much working on the engine right now. Just got the water pump off and whatnot, so I'll show you what they got done. He's got the everything off, and he's got the new downpipe put in. He's got the valve cover put back on, and he's just waiting on a gasket for the exhaust manifold, which will be in stock tomorrow at 9 a.m. So he's going to get to the parts store right now to get so he can put the test pipe on now. So pretty much everything will be ready for that exhaust and start putting everything, all this all put back together.
Go cruise before I even had the Evo. I'll have you know.
For like a day.
Huh?
For like a day.
Well, that just so happened like I had the Evo. And when I first started hanging out, I had no intention to buy an Evo. I'm like, you know what?
Alright guys, Kyle and Josh just left. Sorry I didn't film a whole lot. Really busy weekend, and I have my phone. I don't have the GoPro, which is a lot easier to use just to set in the corner and film. But anyways, Evo is basically done. There's a few small things Josh has to do. He's gonna come back next weekend and do that, but everything is on for the most part, and he's got just wait for the tuner to be ready. Didn't do anything to the Subaru this weekend, unfortunately. I really need to crack down and get that worked on, but I'll show you what I did to the engine to the Subaru though. Slipped on the side right now, made a big oil mess, but ignore that. Right now I'm just kind of cleaning the block up, but I got the oil pan off to inspect everything in there, and I got the little part of my extension that broke off out of the oil pan, which the oil pan's sitting over there. I cleaned it off. Got pretty much everything ready to start reassembling. Just gotta pick up the heads from the machine shop this week so we can start getting this engine put back together. I believe Kyle and Josh are coming over next weekend to finish the Evo, and then we also are going to go to Andrews to get the engine cradle off the parts car, and then we're gonna start getting the engine cradle off of this car. So also Josh hooked us up with some more stickers. You can't see this one because it's white and kind of blends in, but I'm gonna need to get all this torn off, and I will be finishing this side, which I have mostly torn apart. And then I'm gonna try to get most of this trans pulled, like axles, most of it ready to be pulled, so we can get that pulled as well. We're definitely gonna get some work done with the Subaru here soon. Hopefully within the next few weeks we'll have that finished. I'm sorry, not finished, but at least have the engine in there and start getting the bodywork finished. There's still a lot of small things I'll need to buy before I can drive it, and before I can even get it tuned. So that's all gonna be coming in the future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and check out our other videos and our Instagram pages. See you guys next time. Peace.